हरिओम। निर्गुण रंगी चदरिया रे कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान. A soulful bhajan on how it takes rarest of the rarest to be interested on the spiritual path, to be in deep love with God, to be immersed in the devotion of God, to be one with God, and to be in such a pure, pious, divine state like a newborn baby. And each one who has started walking the spiritual path under the guidance of a true guru is that rarest of the rarest wise devotee, a Gyani Bhakt. Nirgun Rangi Chadaryare Koi Ode Sant Sujan. The saintly and wise soul wears a clothing of formless colors that transcends material attributes of a body. The formless colors symbolize the pure, pious, divine essence beyond physical appearances. The wise devotee, regardless of external appearance, embodies divinity, love, inner wisdom, and self-realization. कोई कोई विरला जतन जतावे, या चुनरी पी के मन भावे, कितने ओढ़ भये वैरागी, भय कई मस्तान. Some rare souls weave the fabric with care and love, while others simply wear the cloth. Meaning, not everyone strives to attain the divine state that pleases God, that merges with the beloved God. It takes intense love for God, sincere effort, unconditional surrender, and deep devotion to truly understand and connect with the divine. Many have worn this cloth of renunciation, but few have become intoxicated in God's love. Vairagya or detachment is often associated with renunciation. However, true detachment goes beyond mere external practices of giving up something. True detachment is in effect attachment with God, deep love for God, and love for the higher bliss of the divine within, such that material attachments and attachment to wrong identity of body, mind, intellect automatically and effortlessly drops, having discovered the original true identity of pure divine soul. Only a few out of billions attain the inner bliss that comes from genuine detachment and self-realization. नाम की तार से बुनी चदरिया, प्रेम भक्ति से रंगी चदरिया, सतगुरु कृपा करे वो पाए, ये अमोलक दान. This cloth is woven with threads of devotion and colored with love. The fabric of our spiritual journey is woven with threads of devotion and love for the divine. True spirituality is not about rituals or external practices. It's about deep love and heart's connection with God, with the divine within. Blessed by a true Guru's grace, one receives this priceless gift. The Guru's grace is the key to unlock the eternal bliss within each one of us. पोथी पढ़ पढ़ नैन गवाए, सतगुरु नाथ शरण नहीं आवे, हरि नारायण निर्गुण सरगुण, सबही में पहचान. The eyes get strained by reading so many scriptures, and yet many of them, even having read the scriptures, don't take refuge of a true Guru, who is a scripture in itself. Just studying the life of a true Guru and and implementing their daily teachings can lead us to attain liberation. Mere intellectual understanding of scriptures is not enough. True spiritual knowledge comes from direct experience and the grace of a true Guru. We recognize both the formless and the manifested divine only with the grace of a true Guru. The divine appears in the form of a true Guru. Whether we perceive God as formless consciousness or in the form of a true Guru, God resides in each such form. Let us return to our original state, pure, divine, holy, and always immersed in the colors of God, one with Him. Let us always be His instrument to connect more and more lovers of God with Him. Stay in purity, stay in deep divine love, stay one with God. You are the rarest of the rarest to have been graced with a true Guru, with pure spiritual knowledge, and with deep divine love. निर्गुण रंग चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। कोई कोई विरला जतन जतावे, या चुनरी पिय के मन भावे। कितने ओढ़ भये वैरागी, भय कई मस्तान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। नाम की तार से बुनी चदरिया, प्रेम भक्ति से रंगी चदरिया। सतगुरु कृपा करे वो पाए, ये अमोलक दान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। पोथी पढ़ पढ़ नैन गवाए, सतगुरु नाथ शरण नहीं आवे। हरि नारायण निर्गुण सरगुण, सबहि में पहचान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान। निर्गुण रंगी चतरिया रे, कोई ओढ़े संत सुजान।